1103 One customer-built transformer vaults or rooms. The customer's load requirements will determine the transformer vault or room size. Typical for transformer vault size is 32 feet, L, x 15 feet, W, x 12 feet, H, and 38 feet, L, x 20 feet, W, x 12 feet, H, for service voltages 208Y/120 volt and 480Y/277 volt respectively. Customer shall provide sealed engineered drawings of the proposed vault or room per CPS energy requirements. Prefabricated vault designs will be considered and approved by CPS Energy on case-by-case basis. CPS Energy will install all infrastructures which shall include transformer, network protectors, primary conductors, and all associated circuitry inside the transformer vault or room as required. Complying with CPS Energy specifications does not relieve the customer from complying with other applicable codes and regulations such as COSA ordinances, Historic Preservation Office, environmental, etc. permits, utility locates, state regulations, and or other industry standards. Where customer builds a transformer vault or room as required by CPS Energy, it shall conform to the general and specific requirements as follows. A. Location. Customer shall use a suitable location on or immediately adjacent to their premises for the customer-built transformer vault. Areas such as public right-of-way immediately adjacent to customers' premises are preferred locations for transformer vaults. Customer shall coordinate with the CPS Energy customer service representative to verify that customer owns secondary service conductors, lateral, from transformer vault will not be routed in public right-of-way. Where space is not available on or immediately adjacent to customer's premises, then customer shall construct a transformer room within their premises. Construction of transformer room shall be coordinated, inspected, and approved by CPS Energy's Network Engineering Section. CPS Energy will not construct transformer vaults or rooms on or within customers' premises. B. Easements. Customer shall grant or provide CPS Energy with necessary easements for transformer vaults or rooms and associated electric lines and equipment. Customer shall coordinate with the CPS Energy customer service representative for specific details and for conditions of use of such easements. C. Accessibility. The design of a transformer vault or room shall ensure full 24-hour immediate access and allow close approach, be within 8 feet of a hard driving surface. In addition, the design shall meet accessibility requirements listed below. 1. Maintain a clear access route for delivery and installation of CPS Energy equipment. 2. There shall be a 73-inch x 97-inch slab at an outside entrance, ground level, to receive transformers weighing up to 20,000 pounds each. 3. Entrance is to be readily accessible and not be blocked vertically 50 feet or horizontally 12 feet in front and both sides of slab opening for crane operations, no exceptions. D. Basic design criteria. All transformer vault or room designs and locations shall be coordinated and approved by the CPS Energy Downtown Network Engineering Section and shall incorporate the following basic design requirements. 1. Transformer vault or room shall not be used for storage of any kind. Vault and/or room shall be considered property of CPS Energy and be used for CPS Energy equipment only. 2. No customer pipes, ducting, or wiring, except customers' service conductors, shall enter or pass through the transformer vault or room. 3. No other utilities such as gas, water, sewer, communication cables or customer systems of any kind shall be allowed to enter or pass through the transformer vault or room. 4. Where buildings are designed with overhangs or similar type of roof coverings that extend over CPS Energy's transformer vault or room and are determined by CPS Energy to interfere with the installation or removal of CPS Energy equipment, such overhangs and roofs shall be provided with removable hatches or roof covers as approved by CPS Energy. Note: in addition to these basic design requirements, the customer-built transformer vault or room shall meet the specific design requirements listed in E through K below. E. Walls, roof, and floor. 1. Walls and roof shall be constructed of materials that have adequate structural strength for the conditions, with a minimum fire resistance of 3 hours. A 12-inch thick reinforced concrete is a standard requirement on a pour-in-place design. In cases where 8-inch CMU is approved, it shall be filled with 2,500 psi concrete with reinforced rebar. The roof must meet the requirement of the H20 highway loading specification. Customer shall pour concrete in a manner that will eliminate air voids. No existing clay tiles, sheet rock or stucco wall of any type shall be used as interior vault walls. Note: where constructing a transformer room within an existing building, CPS Energy will require a structural engineer sealed letter attesting that the construction of such walls and roof are adequate for the conditions and the imposed equipment weight to be supported. 2. The floors of transformer vaults or rooms in contact with the earth shall be of reinforced concrete designed to support CPS Energy transformers with a point load of up to 20,000 pounds each. Based on the customer's load, a standard CPS Energy transformer vault or room can normally accommodate up to 4 transformers. Floors shall have a smooth finish to allow for steel rolling rods to move freely. Note: where constructing a transformer room within an existing building, CPS Energy will require structural engineer sealed letter attesting that the construction of such floors is adequate for the conditions and the imposed equipment weight to be supported. 3. Where required for installation and removal of transformers, transformer vault or room ceilings shall have removable, weatherproof slabs, sizes to be specified by CPS Energy. There shall be a 73-inch x 97-inch minimum slab or as specified by CPS Energy, and it shall be installed by customer as part of the transformer vault or room construction and completion. 4. Transformer vault or room ceilings shall have a 30-inch diameter personnel entrance where required for outside access by CPS Energy authorized personnel. The ceiling shall also accommodate concrete inserts as specified by the CPS Energy customer service representative for support of secondary bus. 5. Transformer vault or room penetration of secondary grid or service lateral conductors shall be a minimum height of 42 inches and a maximum height of 60 inches from the floor level inside of the transformer vault or room. Customer shall coordinate with the CPS Energy customer service representative on exact location and methods of penetration of secondary grid or service lateral conductors. Final design shall be submitted to CPS Energy for approval. F. Drainage. Customer shall provide a sump hole with 1/2 inch thick metal galvanized cover with drainage holes where water or other liquids would need to be pumped from transformer vault or room. 1. The sump hole shall have minimum dimensions of 12 x 12 x 24 inches deep or 12 inches in diameter and 24 inches deep. 24-inch depth includes 12-inch floor thickness and 12-inch sump hole. 2. The transformer vault or room floor shall be pitched toward the sump hole with a 1-inch slope. 3. The sump hole shall be located directly below personnel entrances unless otherwise specified by CPS Energy. 4. The transformer vault or room design shall be such that it does not allow intrusion of water through walls, floors, ceilings, joints, and all penetrations. In some cases, waterproofing may need to be applied. All sealant used inside the transformer vault or room shall be UL approved. 5. A separate 2-inch pipe to city storm drainage system will be required. Customer shall coordinate with the CPS Energy customer service representative. G. Ventilation. Fan-forced natural air cross ventilation shall be provided. 1. The transformer vault or room shall be vented directly to an outdoor area. The transformer vault or room ventilation shall not be mixed with the building ventilation or cooling system. 2. Ventilation consisting of 2 each 24-inch diameter ventilators must be provided. Lower ventilator shall be 12 inches above floor. Upper ventilator shall exhaust to outside air and be 12 inches below ceiling or as otherwise approved by CPS Energy. 3. CPS Energy will furnish and install ventilating fans and associated circuitry. 4. Ventilation openings shall be installed as far away as possible from doors, windows, fire escapes, and combustible materials. No ventilation openings to the interior of building are allowed. Openings outside the transformer vault or room shall be located above water level and not in the street, driveways, or parking lots. 5. Ventilation openings shall be covered with durable gratings, heavy gauge screens or louvers, according to the treatment required in order to avoid unsafe conditions. Gratings, etc. used to cover the openings shall be in accordance with CPS Energy specifications and shall be furnished and installed by customer. 6. Ventilation ducts shall be constructed of heavy gauge corrugated steel or concrete and all joints shall be watertight. 7. Ventilation indoors will not be accepted by CPS Energy. H. Doorways. If the design includes a doorway, then the customer shall provide doorways as specified by CPS Energy's Network Engineering section. 1. A minimum of 2 4-foot, W, x 9-foot, H, side-by-side doors leading into a transformer room from the building exterior shall be provided. Doors shall be designed to swing out 180 degrees with no external obstructions and be tight-fitting metal fireproof doors having a minimum 3-hour rating. CPS Energy will install a continuous 6-inch removable brick sill. 2. Entrance doors shall be equipped with locks, and fire doors shall be kept locked with access being allowed only to CPS Energy personnel. Locks and latches shall be arranged so that the door can be readily and quickly opened from the inside by a panic bar, pressure plate, or other devices that are normally latched but open under simple pressure, per NEC. The second door must be fitted with surface bolts inside at top and bottom. Customer shall install one of the following as approved by CPS Energy. Hasps for CPS Energy padlocks, cylinder locks keyed by a locksmith to CPS Energy keys or keypad lock combination mechanism. Only CPS Energy personnel shall have access and keys to doors. 3. Doors shall not be blocked by customer equipment. The transformer vault or room shall be readily accessible through doorways at all times, 24 hours. 4. CPS Energy shall label danger high voltage on the outside of the fire doors. I. Lighting. Transformer vaults or rooms shall be electrically lighted. CPS Energy will install lighting and associated circuitry. Customer circuitry shall not be used. J. Inspection. A series of critical inspections will occur during construction of the customer-built transformer vault or room to verify that it is constructed in accordance with CPS Energy specifications. Customer shall request a CPS Energy inspection a minimum of 2 days prior to each inspection. To schedule an inspection, customer may contact the CPS Energy customer service representative or refer to helpful numbers listed on the inside front cover page. Note 1. Before concrete is poured, the following inspections for transformer vaults or rooms are required. 1. Ceiling. 4. Doors. 7. Vent grates. 2. Floors. 5. Slab opening. 8. Duct bank trench. 3. Walls. 6. Vent pipe and connect. 9. Final inspection to transformer vault or room. Vault Note 2. Where customer constructs transformer vaults or rooms and does not call for required CPS Energy inspections, CPS Energy reserves the right to require customer to remove all or part of the concrete and or to not approve the transformer vault or room design. K. Fire ratings. The building design or the authority having jurisdiction, AHJ, may require fire protection for the customer's equipment outside of transformer vault or room. CPS Energy assumes no responsibility for the operation of the system. 1. All walls, floors, and ceilings shall have a minimum 3-hour fire rating. All doors shall also have a 3-hour fire rating. All penetrations, floor, wall, and ceiling, including the doors, shall be sealed by customer in accordance with applicable NFPA codes. 2. All sealant used inside the transformer vault or room shall be UL approved and have the appropriate fire rating for the enclosure. 3. Dampers shall have a 3-hour fire rating. 4. Sprinkler systems or other fire protection devices shall not be installed in transformer vaults or rooms.